Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity hoppity, Easter's on its way.
Hey everyone, it's Michelle back here again with another video. Today's video is going to be on my Easter decorations. I wasn't lying when I said I'm going to be doing a seasonal tree. If you haven't seen my Valentine's Day seasonal tree, check that video. It'll be linked down below. Today is my Easter seasonal tree. Roll the clip, ladies. So we'll start out with the tree topper, this cute little pink bunny with holographic, sparkly looking nose and ears. We'll go down to this diamond cut looking Easter egg. Keep in mind everything is from the Dollarama. The wreath, the pink and white checkers with the bunnies on it. We have some sparkly purple Easter eggs. Blue ones. Here's some purple diamond cut eggs. Oh, another bunny. We got yellow with purple wreath and green. Then we got a blue wreath. There's some pretty green, shiny Easter eggs, pink. And here is the beautiful tree skirt that I made. We have little tiny bunnies, look like they're about to kiss, with roses in between. The mint color, one of my favorite colors.
The bunnies and roses were purchased from Dollarama and just hot glued on.
We have this adorable little plaque here. Look at the back of their little Easter bums with the little pom-poms. I just think the idea is so creative, so awesome because I'm awesome, and I hope that this really catches on because it's a really cool idea. I love putting up my Christmas tree and I hate taking it down. There's so many things you can purchase in the dollar store that you can just decorate for every season, and why not? It's creative, it's different. Anybody who comes over notices it and thinks it's really cool, so I wanted to put it out there for you guys to see and see what you thought of it. Sorry about the shadowing in the back. I am filming at nighttime. I'm still learning lighting. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up if you found it creative, and subscribe for more videos of me. And until the next one, bye! Hold your Easter eggs in, put your Easter eggs out. You hold your Easter eggs in and you shake them all about. You do the